How to fix or download shortcut not working on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to fix or download shortcut not working on iPhone iOS 18, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your shortcut application. After opening, you'll find the or download shortcut right here. So once you find the or download shortcut, you need to just simply tap and hold on to that shortcut, and you will have a delete option. You need to just simply go and delete the shortcut. After deleting your shortcut, what you need to do is open up your Safari browser or any browser that you're comfortable with, and then search for or download shortcut. Once you've searched, here you will see a lot of websites. Just go ahead and try downloading the shortcut from a different website that you previously did. After that, just simply scroll down and go with get shortcut, and your shortcut will be added. So that's it. That's how you can solve your or download shortcut not working on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.